In this video, we are to show if V is an unbiased estimator for the Rayleigh distribution that was given. So we are to show the estimator gotten from the MLE calculated is this. So we want to show if V is unbiased. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. Solution. We should recall that the expected value of xi squared, which is this, is equal to 2v. So we already have our expected value of v estimates to be v. This is what we are to show. It then means that we take the expectation of this. The expectation of v is equal to the expectation of the summation of xi squared all over 2n. It then means that 1 all over 2n, then means that 1 over 2n will be multiplying the summation of the expected value of xi squared, which is this. So we have that 1 all over 2n multiplied by n. If you're summing a constant, this is a constant now. If you're summing a function, you get n times that constant, or n times that function. So we have n multiplied by the expected value of xi squared, which is also equal to 1 all over 2n multiplied by n, where this function, where this is equal to 2v. So we have that 1 all over 2n multiplied by 2vn. This will cancel this will cancel this. Of course, the expected value of the expected value of our V estimates is V. It then shows that V estimate is unbiased for V. It's an unbiased estimator for V. So for more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.